In this video, let's talk about how to use Etsy AI search to rank your listings. Now, there are a few ways on how you can do this. The first way is going to be to structure the AI friendly titles. So whenever you are trying to add in a title for a particular item, make sure you place the most important words or the identifier of this product within the first 40 characters. So as you can see in this example, this person or the seller has added in the exact product details or what this product exactly is on the first 40 characters of this particular listing. So you can also follow the same pattern. Also make sure that you layer the details for clarity. In the description as well, you'll need to specify who the item is for, its purpose, as well as its unique factors. While doing this, make sure that you avoid any sort of keyword stuffing and any sort of words that are not related to your product. Also, make sure you utilize all of the 13 tags. So you can see normally whenever you try to add in a new product inside of Etsy, you'll have tags specifically for this particular product. Make sure you utilize all 13 of them so that your product is going to be more discoverable and is SEO friendly as well. So by following these few steps, you'll be able to use Etsy AI search to rank your listings. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.